Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the fifth lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 5th, lesson number 5, Word. And today's topic is Open an existing document. Dear students, in this video we will learn how to open a saved document. The easiest and the quickest way to open an existing document is from the Start menu. On the taskbar, click on Start button. You will see the Start menu. On the left pane of the Start menu, point to Microsoft Office Word 2007. The right pane changes to show a list of recent Word documents. Click on the name of the document, the tiger. The second way of the starting the saved document, first Start Word, then on the title bar click on Office button. You will see a drop down menu. In recent documents you can see the name of the document, the tiger. Click on the name to open the document, or click on Open. You will see the Open dialog box. It looks like the Save As dialog box. Now scroll through the list on the right pane of the Open dialog box. You will see the name of the document, the tiger. Click on the name to open the document, or in file name type in the name of the document, the tiger. Click on the Open button to open the document. At last, on the title bar click on Close to close the document. So my dear students, in this video we have learned how to open a saved document. So watch the video carefully and try at home, and don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more informative videos.